Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I will show you how to change store owner on Shopify. I will give you a very simple way. Make sure you're logged in your Shopify store. Now, go to the bottom and click Setting. Then, look for Users and Permissions. From Users and Permissions, go to the right corner and click Transfer Ownership. Let's proceed here. You need to fill up this page for the new store owner. Type the email, name, and last name. After that, select Transfer Store Owner. When the transfer is complete, you will lose your unrestricted access to the store. That's all. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again!